Uhlelo lokucishakonga ugesi libeka imboni yokukhiqiza izimoto engcupheni. Ngaphezu kwalokhu inkampani yezimoto iToyota yaphinde yakhahlanyezwa yikhukhula zangombasa.
So we're working with the provincial government, the ekutheni municipality, to see how best we can provide alternative energy solutions to make sure that we ameliorate the industry from load shedding, because it undermines, if you like, the viability of these plants, potential for investments to be redirected to other parts of the world.
iToyota ifuna uhulumeni uphuthumise ukucikicwa kwesivumelwano nabakhiqizi bogesi abazimele.
The issue is that our suppliers are already struggling as well. So if a supplier can't supply, we go down. So we've lost 3,500 vehicles since January this year. And we've had to scrap 151 vehicles because the supply disruption came at a particular part in the process where the vehicles were damaged. So we're not only concerned about load shedding, but the quality of supply.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe wona uthubeke eqhulwini ukulungiswa kwengqalasizinda.
After the floods, we had to consolidate a strategy of ensuring that we proceed on the capacity building. We also incentivize the companies like Toyota in ensuring that they continue to produce their breed and we don't load shed them.
Umkhandlu wethe kulindeleke ukuba uziphindaphinde amahora izigaba zohlelo lokucishakonga ugesi kuleli dolobha.